and finish that backsplash.
When are we gonna do this backsplash?
It's been 2 years since we moved in. I don't think you ever permanently put these in. When are you gonna trim out my microwave? I found this empty toolbox. Brand new. Do we take it back? Donate it? Give it away? No, I'm not joking. You can have too many toolboxes. You'll find something to put in it. I don't care if it's a good bucket. It was on the side of the road for a reason. Yes, you can have too many buckets. You don't need any more buckets. Did you get a new tape measure? Oh my gosh. Are you shaking? All right, babe, we need to talk. I'm so glad he got my van parked in here. Okay, you're home. I have a surprise for you. No, not that. It's the middle of the day. I tiled the backsplash. Do you love it? I just figured you're too busy, so I just thought I would do it myself. Oh, come on. I think it looks great. You don't need to redo it. I just didn't get to that part yet. Best part about it is you didn't have to pay a penny for it. Okay, yeah. Maybe we should redo it. Why did we need this big chunk of wood? Or all these buckets?